My experience working with iSite has been really positive. They've always been ready to help and also ready to reprioritise and restructure as something requires. So I'm Birch. I manage systems, data and reporting for Nationwide Property Services. We've been using iSite since before I actually started at Nationwide, so I think well over a decade now. iSite is our primary property management system. We use it to manage our estate, manage our assets, our planned maintenance. We use it to do our asset lifecycle modelling. It's our BI module, so we get a lot of our data and reporting from it. It also includes leasehold management, basically our central tool. So there's quite a lot of ways that iSite has made our lives easier. I actually came over from Carillion when Carillion collapsed. Me and many other people in the department were brought into Nationwide Property Services. And when that happened, we weren't just left with that issue, but we also were left without some of the systems that we'd had in the Carillion world, including our planned maintenance system. And iSite worked with us to create a new planned maintenance system very quickly. So within 4 months of the Carillion collapse, we had a new planned maintenance system that iSite developed with us. It used to take me between half a day and a day to create a new planned maintenance schedule. That would be writing SQL, updating thousands of records potentially. I can now do what used to take between half a day and a day in about 3 clicks using iSite. I can import new SFG20 schedules. I can apply them to our assets. I can update the schedule of dates, the suppliers, everything else in a few clicks using bulk controls in iSite. So no more manual processes there. But to focus not just on the planned maintenance module, in the asset world, we have the Lifecycle model, which we use a lot. So that takes in a lot of data about assets and allows us to prioritise assets for replacement based on what's important to us. So we're able to feed in various factors on things like obsolescence, compliance, and business risk, business priority, and put those together to inform what our shopping list of assets are to replace. So that's far more powerful than the old way of trying to gather bits of data from various sources and create a profile based from that. From a support perspective, we always go above and beyond. So our main contact in the support world is Steve, who not only will get things fixed for us, he will help with training, he will help with guidance, he will go the extra mile to make sure that my team are feeling comfortable using a certain feature or bit of technology that's been provided. So yeah, it's been fantastic. I think the main reason I would recommend iSite is actually not some of the features that I've talked about, but how it's been to work with them. They've always been very ready to adapt to our needs. They've always been very fair and transparent and upfront. We have a good working relationship where it's about working together for the best outcome and working as one team. We've also found they've been willing to work with our other technology partners that we use elsewhere in the business, so that we've been able to do connections between different systems. We've been able to all work together as one big team to create the best outcome. I would definitely recommend them. I think they've been a great technology partner to work with a great product, and we've been really happy with them.